Props.
So yun, masakit to. Mag-Tagalog na lang ako para universal.
Yes, retargeting.
Yun, yung retargeting, ang pinopromote ko ngayon is proper structure sa campaign. Kasi for the longest time, I've been coaching business owners, entrepreneurs, and the usual problem na they encounter and challenges is they spend on ads but they don't have enough result. Kasi per checking, usual talaga pag audit, pag check ko sa campaign, yun ang nakikita ko is they are just doing one campaign lang, and tendency, especially for business owner na starting pa lang to create campaign, ang daming nasasayang na leads because walang proper structure sa campaign. So, di ba, as we discussed sa Tech Thursday natin, there should always be, money is always on the retargeting. So in terms of budget allocation, it should be, actually dapat tatlo yan eh. Top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. So this top of the funnel, who are these people? These are people who don't know you yet, And then the middle of the funnel, these are the people who watches your video, they have some information on what you do, they engage with your post, they engage with your ad, so on and so forth. But for some reason, they did not proceed to either schedule a call with you, book an appointment with you, buy your product, and so on and so forth for some reason. Ito namang bottom of the funnel na campaign, these are your buyers. Those people who purchase your service, avail your service, book an appointment with you, buy your products. So the reason why we keep on showing them our ads and minamarket pa rin natin sila, kasi dapat ang buyer's journey is hindi isa lang. There should always be, kaya yung tinatawag natin na repeat customers. So in terms of budget allocation, so if you have a budget in mind, 70% goes to your cold audience, or ito yung top of the funnel mo na campaign, and then 20% goes to your retargeting campaign. These are for the people who consume your content already, and then 10% na lang dun sa buyers. So that's how you allocate. So do you have any questions about with that?
Paano ba ginagawa yung retargeting sa ads manager?
Okay.
Pag-run ka lang ba ulit ng ads, or there's something different kung normal lang na ads ang i-run?
Yeah, basically, it's all about creating custom audiences. So with Facebook ads kasi, sa ads manager, pwede mong i-gather ang lahat ng mga tao na nakapanood or lahat ng mga tao or mga audience mo na nakakonsume na ng video mo. So you can also specify the time frame. So say for example, I want to target people who consume my video for the past 7 days. So always yan 7 days. And what works yung sa akin na mga campaign, ang nag-work sa akin is 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days. So pinukonsume yan sila.
Iba-iba yung campaign nun, like retarget mo yung 7 days before.
It depends kung you have enough budget, you can test. Pwede mo kasing i-test also ano yung magwi-winning mo na audience, yung 30 days ba, yung 14 days, and 7 days. So every campaign provides different results. So depende yan talaga. Yung sa akin kasi, I tested 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days. So among all of these audiences, ang nag-work sa akin is 7, 14, and 30. So, iba kasi yung interest, do you believe na iba yung level of interest ng mga tao na nakakonsume ng video mo based on the percentage of watch hour ng video mo? So for example, iba yung interest level ng isang tao na nakapanood ng 25% of your video versus those people who watches 50% of your video. Right?
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman yan mag-consume ng 50, 60, 70, or 90% of your video if they don't have any interest. So that's the reason why you want to target them, because you want to spike the interest again. Kasi yun nga, in terms of selling, it takes 9 to 10 follow-up for your customer to buy from you. But when it comes to when it comes to marketing, it also the rules applies the same. It's just hindi mo sila minamano follow up. What your way is, you keep on showing your ad to them na dapat relevant also. Say for example, testimonials, good reviews, good feedback about your product, about your service. Doon mo sila ipakita sa retargeting campaign mo. So basically, yung creative mo sa top of the funnel, it tells you who you are, what you do, what your products are. Doon naman sa retargeting campaign, these are the creatives na testimonials, promos, discounts, special rate, so on and so forth. Huwag kang magpapakita ng testimonials, feedback, promos, discount to your top of the funnel na campaign, because it wouldn't make sense because they don't know you yet. So these special promos are only intended for people who engage sa page mo previously.
So, sa middle funnel, parang doon na tayo gagamit ng special, doon na gagamit yung mga audience before. Yun ba yung sa Facebook pixels?
No, yes. Facebook
Kumbaga specified audience.
Yes. There is a problem with Facebook Pixel right now kasi after the iOS 14.5 update, pixel data is somehow irrelevant na because Apple is limiting Facebook in gathering data. So statistics shows that only 20% of your pixel data ang na-forward kay Facebook. So if you have 100 leads na nagland to your opt-in page, or if you have a website, only 20% of those leads ang natatrack ni Facebook because of the limitation. There is a tug of war happening that is also ongoing between Apple and Facebook as of the moment. But here's the thing, ang 100% na natatrack pa rin ni Facebook are the events na nangyayari within Facebook. So these are people who engage with your ads, people who sent a message to your ads, people who click, who like, who share, who comment, who watch your videos, so on and so forth. Those data, yun pa rin, 100% natatrack ni Facebook. Kaya, always kong sinasabi, in every coaching session na nangyari, mapa-technical Thursday man yan, or to my private clients, always put a video element to your campaigns, kasi those creative ang nagiging nagmamagnet and nagre-retain ng mga customers mo. So any event outside Facebook, like nag-land to your website, register, but there's a way to track all of them, but medyo technical na yun, super technical na, which I cannot advise na gawin mo as of the moment, kasi maluloka ka. If you're familiar with UTM source tracking, yung mga ganun. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na magza-zap ka. So, lahat ng mga nag-register, naka-zap yan to Google Sheet or CSV file, na every activity, every email addresses na ilalagay nila, you will also own all of those email addresses. But yun nga, medyo technical na yun. So the simplest way for you to retarget people is yung events na nangyayari within your Facebook page. So your Facebook page is the front end na talaga ngayon.